Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk Unpacked, where we delve into the exciting world of technology and innovation. I'm your host, and today we're exploring a fascinating tool that merges graphics with web technology, the svraster-webgl Viewer. So if you're into 3D rendering or just curious about how technology brings visualizations to life, stick around. To kick things off, let's talk about what the svraster-webgl Viewer actually is. Imagine a space where you can explore intricate 3D voxel scenes right from your browser. Developed as a user-friendly visualizer for the voxel radiance field from NVIDIA's sparse voxels rasterization paper, this viewer lets you interactively dive into these dense voxel environments without needing to download heavy software. And good news, you can experience it all at vid2scene.com/voxel. Now, what's really cool about this viewer is the way you navigate through the scenes. Just by using your mouse or your fingers on a touchscreen, you can orbit around, zoom in and out, or even pan around, all of which makes the experience immersive and engaging. Have you ever played a video game where the graphics just transported you into another world? That's the kind of experience this viewer aims to provide. But let's break it down a bit more. How does this work under the hood? Well, the viewer employs a distance-based sorting approach. I know, that sounds a bit technical, but think of it like organizing a library. You want to place the books you're most likely to reach first. It's all about optimizing how these voxel scenes are rendered for speed and clarity. But here's the catch. While it runs quite well on a solid laptop GPU, it's a little slower on mobile devices like the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's all about balancing performance and quality, right? Speaking of performance, did you know you can tweak how the viewer behaves? By adding a simple URL parameter, like .samples=1, you can adjust the number of density samples per ray in the fragment shader. More samples mean better accuracy, but also a bit of a hit to performance. It's a bit like choosing between a fine wine and a quick beer at a party. Both have their merits depending on what you're after. And maybe you're thinking, that's cool, but how can I create my own scenes? Great question. If you've got your own sparse voxel scenes, you can generate ply files compatible with the viewer. It's a bit involved, but with a simple command and a few setups in Python, you can cook up your own stunning visualizations. Just be mindful, large scenes can lead to hefty file sizes, so it's recommended to keep the voxel count within 1,000,000 or so. Now, let's touch on an interesting tidbit from the project's development process. The creator mentioned that heavy use of AI assistance made getting the boilerplate code up and running a breeze. Picture this. They had complex rendering set up in just hours, but when it came to troubleshooting those pesky graphics bugs, not quite as seamless. It's a reminder that while AI can be a powerful tool, it doesn't replace the need for our good old-fashioned problem-solving skills. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the journey we took today through the world of voxel visualization and web technology. We've seen how a browser-based viewer can make 3D graphics accessible for everyone, and how tweaking simple settings can enhance performance. It's a thrilling time for tech enthusiasts, and who knows what innovations are just around the corner. Before we sign off, what do you think about the future of AI in graphics? Could we see more tools emerging that make high-quality rendering even more accessible? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Be sure to join us next time as we continue to explore the fascinating intersections of technology and creativity. Until then, keep your curiosity alive and your tech skills sharp.